Hello everyone. In our last video of Bhakti cult and Sufi heritage, we have discussed about the Bhakti saints from South India. Next we will deal with from the Bhakti heritage of North India. In this first we have to deal with Kabir Das. He lived between 1398 to 1518. Kabir is a famous saint of Bhakti cult and was a disciple of Ramananda. Here disciple means student. He was the follower or the student of Ramananda, and Kabir is always try to bring harmony between Hindu and Muslim religion. He was the adopted son of Muslim weaver couple Niru and Nima of Varanasi. He he was against the caste system, luxurious life and discrimination based on religion. He said Allah and Rama are the two names of one God. He also said that Hindu and Muslim are the pots of same clay. Kabir told that he is the son of Rama and Allah. According to him, it is not possible to see God by fasting, torturing the body, sacred pilgrimage. It is only possible by the complete devotion. He thought his philosophy through Doha, 2 lines poems. Here Doha means the poems which are written in 2 lines, which is simple and easy to understand by common man. His followers are called as Kabirpanthis. The people, those who are following to the teachings of Kabir, they are known as Kabirpanthis. Next, here another Bhakti saint. As you can see on the screen, the picture of Kabir Das. Next we will deal with the Guru Nanak, 1469 to 1539 CE. Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. He was born in 1469 CE at Lawadi in Punjab. Now it is in present day Pakistan. Before independence, India and Pakistan are the one country. He was born in Punjab, which was in present day Pakistan. Mekuda and Trupta were his parents. He stressed on good views of Hindu and Muslim religion. His songs, called as Japji, are in the Granth Sahib, sacred book of Sikhs. The holy book of Sikhs, it is called as Granth Sahib. Sikh cult has given importance to japa and good deeds. He stressed on gender equality. He is giving more importance on the equality. And Nanak had a great belief in the existence of God. He said that God is one and eternal. He proclaimed, or he said that one can attain Guru through bhakti, and with bhakti one can attain mukti. He opposed social evils like idol worship, casteism, sati system, etc. Here that idol worship, it is worshipping of the idols, and casteism or the discrimination which is based on the basis of caste, that is called as caste system. And he was against on another system, that is sati system. Here in the religion, after the death of her husband, the women are also used to fire on the fire. That is, this system is called as sati system. He was against all these 3 social evils: idol worship, casteism, as well as sati system. During one of his travel, he visited Karnataka and he stayed in Bidar. This place is called as Guru Nanak Jharna. Okay, he has also stayed in Bidar, and this place is called as Nanak Jharna. This is about Guru Nanak. Here, as you can see on the screen, the picture of Guru Nanak. Next it is Tulsi Das, 1532 to 1623 CE. Tulsi Das was the first to support Bhakti Marga in North India. He was born in a Brahmin family. He has contributed to Hindi literature. He wrote Ramacharitra Manas, the famous Hindi literary work, that is Ramacharitra Manas. It was written by Tulsi Das. This is a great book in Hindi in North India. It is famous as Tulsi Ramayana. He sought devotion, pure life, love, affection, patience among the people. He is giving more importance to these qualities: love, patience, as well as affection. As you can see here also on the screen, the picture of Tulsi Das. Next, here we have to deal with the Mirabai, 1498 to 1569. Again, Mirabai is a renowned saint of India, and it is called as Radha of Kalyuga. Mirabai is also known as Radha of Kalyuga. He was born in a Rajput family in Rajasthan, and she was Raja Sinha's daughter. She married to the Prince of Mewar. She loved philosophy from childhood, so she spent her time in offering puja, meditation and singing. Her mother-in-law opposed her worshipping of Lord Krishna. Mirabai strongly believe and follow doing the worship of Lord Krishna. Mirabai could not tolerate this and she left for Brindavan. The Brindavan is the pilgrimage place of Shri Krishna. Her songs are full of devotion and love. Girdha Gopala is her favorite god. She has remained eternal due to her thousands of bhajans. She composed many bhajans in the praise of Lord Krishna. As you can see here also on the screen, the picture of Mirabai. Another Bhakti saint from North India, that is Chaitanya, from 1485 to 1533 CE. Chaitanya was born in Nartapif Dham, Nadia in Bengal in 1485 CE. Jagannatha Mishra and Sri Devi were his parents. Vishambara was his original name. In the beginning he is known as Vishambara. Ichwapuri was his guru. Chaitanya left his family life and took sannyasa at the age of 25. He rejected casteism. Bhakti is the only way to attain mukti. Mukti means salvation or moksha, and he gave more importance to the universal love, and he also traveled to the holy places of India and spread the messages of love. Love, brotherhood is the most important or the essence of his teachings. Today's Hare Krishna cult has been influenced by him. The Bengali called him as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and also treat him as an incarnation of Lord Krishna. In Bengal, the people is worshipping him as an incarnation or the reborn of Lord Krishna. Here on screen, it is the picture of Chaitanya. Next, here we will deal with the influence of Bhakti cult, influence or results or consequences. First thing, it is Bhakti saints created harmony between Hindu and Muslim, whatever the Bhakti saints from North India and South India, they are giving more importance to create harmony and unity among Hindu and Muslim. This is the first result. And second point, Bhakti saint wrote in simple common man language. Whatever the language they are using, they are using regional language or writing in Hindi, and due to this reason the common man can easily understand this. These are the two results of Bhakti cult. Next, here we will see from the heritage of Sufis. This we will discuss in our next video. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.